everyone, today I, Aria, will show the process of producing high-end crocodile leather from the crocodile farm all the way to the finished leather, used for making Hermes, Chanel, Louis Vuitton bags, and more. So let's take a look together.
Begins with life on certified crocodile farms. Only the finest belly skins are selected. Each hide is unique, carrying the natural beauty of its scales. Only the finest belly portions are selected. Each hide is one of a kind, defined by its unique natural scale pattern.
Master craftsmen spend hours hand cleaning each scale individually, preserving the hide's natural beauty while removing all organic residue.
Using a centuries-old vegetable tanning method combined with cutting-edge technology,
Each skin is dyed and glazed entirely by hand. Some receive more than 30 layers, enhancing
only perfect Grade 1 hides are approved. A single skin can be worth more than $15,000. The transformation begins by meticulously stretching the hide. Only through the most exacting standards can the leather achieve this depth of color and unmatched luster, a testament to true craftsmanship. Every scale, every fiber is inspected. This is where mere material transcends into a work of art.
From ancient river to timeless elegance, the art of crocodile leather.